Hi there everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing guys, this is the reading for the month of September for the zodiac sign Cancerians. Let's check out what's going on with Cancerians. But before that, I just want to tell you that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to uh, enroll for our 10 days tarot learning and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. The fourth thing is that if you wish to donate via PayPal and Google Pay, the links are given in the description box below. If you want to, if you wish to have a same day reading, emergency reading with me, so you have to pay $200 written in the description box below as well. Okay, so that is for emergency reading, like same day reading. Okay, so yeah, and for prior bookings you can book my sessions. Okay, so yeah guys, okay, let's check out what's going on with Cancerians. Water signs. I'll try to upload all the readings, guys. I have actually tried hard to upload all the readings, so yes, let's check it out. Okay, so what are you, okay, sorry, I'm not going to take that. What are you going through currently? What are you going through currently? What are you going through currently? What are you going through currently, Cancerians? What are you going through currently? There is a lack of opportunity. Opportunity is being blocked. Lot of blockages are there when it comes to opportunity. You are waiting for some sort of an opportunity, Cancerians, but that opportunity is not coming towards you. Okay, so yes, opportunity, new opportunity related to career, relationship, finances. Opportunity is being blocked right now. Okay, if you follow the same present plan, what is the likely outcome? If you follow the present plan, if you just being an stagnant, okay, if you just keep on waiting, what will be the outcome for this situation? There are a lot of blockages which you need to face in the month of September. You have to be like that, you will be a bit of disappointed when it comes to a lot of blockages on your path is coming. Okay, and you need to face it in the month of September, Cancerians. Okay, so yeah, what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? Wow, when it comes to a career or a relationship, there is a solid communication taking place. Okay, people who are dealing with your career, a new opportunity, a new opportunity might take place, but there has to be a communication needed related to the new beginning or that particular opportunity which is required. Okay, which you are waiting for. If people you who are waiting into a relationship part, a solid communication is needed with your counterpart. Okay, so yes, and health is going, will be good in the month of September at least. Okay, and yeah, so what will be the next question? What do you need to do to change or to improve this situation? It has already improved. I can see like things will be improving. If things were blocked in the past, the things will be improving in the month of September. You will be removing all the hurdles, problems, obstacles in the month of September. September will be the month of taking action, taking rapid actions. Okay, so it's a good thing. What do you need to do to change or to improve this situation? 1 second, guys. Okay, so what you need to do to change or to improve this situation? you are going through some spiritual awakening, which is good because your third eye chakra is opening, and that will lead you to the new beginning and solving the obstacles in the month of September. Okay, a lot of obstacles you will be helping, you will be disappointed, but at the same time you will be trying to solve your issues in the month of September. Okay, so yes, you are just going through a spiritual awakening, your third eye chakra is opening, and which is very good. So just pay attention to it. If you are dealing with universal messages 1111 2222 3333 7777 5555, okay, or you are dealing with dreams, okay, negative dreams or positive dreams, we are going through some major spiritual awakening in the month of September. Okay, tell me something about his or her feelings towards you. What is your partner's feelings towards you? What is your partner's feelings towards you? What is your partner's feelings towards you? Cancerians, what is your partner's feelings towards you? 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 Wow, your partner feels that you are their spiritual connection. This is a this is a divine connection. Okay, that is beautiful. They think about you that you are their divine counterpart, which is very good. Where this relationship might be going? Where this relationship might be going? For few of you, in September month, a new lover might enter into your life. Okay, so yes. Where this relationship might be going. Wow, if two people were into separation in the month of August, or in the past months, in the past few months, or past 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, a reconciliation might happen. A reconciliation is happening. I can see the people who were into physical separation, they are reconciling, reuniting. Solid reconciliation, happiness is about to happen in the month of September for few of the Cancerians. That is beautiful, yeah. So yeah, what should you focus on from now? What should you focus on from now? I need to clarify this. What should you focus on now? Why is this Knight of Cups here? Wow. If you had a stagnant energy in the past, so universe is trying to tell you to take an action, to move forward, to be victorious, because victory is on your hand. Victory is you will receive a lot of victory when it comes to either career or relationship or both. Okay, but yeah, for that you have to do some sort of relocation. Okay, some sort of movement, some sort of taking action, some sort of being victorious into your dream or into your particular work which you are thinking for so long. If you have been into a stagnant energy for so long, now is the time to move. Now is the time to take action. Some of the Cancerians might think of or might plan for relocation as well, or some of you might travel overseas also. Okay, so yes, overseas traveling. So yes, so next question. Your relationship will be going on good, guys. Like, you will be victorious. If you had a stagnant energy before in the relationship, now you know it will lead to the victorious path. Okay, so yes, so you just need to focus on taking action and moving forward in the month of September. Okay, so what are your hopes and fears? 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 Your hopes and fears are that you are manifesting something. I don't know what, related to career or relationship. You are waiting for some sort of text, call, messages, emails. Okay, you are manifesting something. But yeah, that is your hope and fear. So you are somewhere scared also with this manifestation, with this waiting game, that it will come or not towards you in the month of September. But also this is into your fear part, that you are fearing that energy. You are believing, hoping, manifesting something. At the same time you have a fear whether it will happen, whether that manifestation or your wishes will come true in the month of September or not. That is under your hopes and fears. Okay, so yes, What is your likely outcome? What is your likely outcome? What is your likely outcome? Wow. There is an offer is about to happen into your life, okay? An offer, a major outcome is someone is coming towards you with an offer of love towards you if it's a relationship, and or you are moving towards someone for a reconciliation. But yes, an offer is coming, offer related to career or a new opportunity, a new business, a new collaboration, a new project, a new financial gain. Okay, an offer is coming in the month of September. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, but a particular offer is coming. Grab that offer, okay? That is your outcome, because it will lead to the success, or it will lead to the victory. Okay, so yes, you just need to have a do not have an stagnant energy. Okay, you just need to be very careful when it comes to taking actions. You just cannot sit and just cannot think and plan. You have to take an action, right? So yes, so what universe needs to tell you? What universe needs to tell you? Get ready for an adventure, guys. You are getting ready for a relocation, or else moving towards, or you are going for a traveling, you are going for a journey, you are going, either you are going for a relocation as well, moving, shifting a house. So there is a new adventure which is about to happen into your life in the month of September. Okay, so yes, beautiful, guys. Okay, so if you have a controlling energy, release it. Okay, if you think that everything you should control, or nothing happening according to your situation or according to your plan, do not worry about it. Leave it to the universe. Okay, he will universe will take care of that. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so yes, guys. Okay, so you are going through some major spiritual awakening, and number 4 is stability. So there is a lot of stability when it comes to your financial, your emotional, your internal world. Okay, with the divine world. So you might be tuning into the your higher self in the month of September. Spiritual awakening is currently also going on, but it will be on a deeper level in the month of September for sure. Okay, and I'm very sure about it. I don't know why, but yes. So yes, okay, I'm sorry, guys. I need to, I don't know, you have a shattered energy, stagnant energy. Some of you are also into aggressive mode. Okay, don't know why, but yeah, something is happening. That's why I can feel the energies. Okay, so the universe is trying to tell you that you are manifesting something. Your hopes and your wishes will come true. Okay, do not worry about it, but for that you need to take a particular action. You have to take an action to move forward into your life. Okay, if you have been stagnant for so long, you need to take an action to move forward. Okay, which you are not doing. That's your problem. Okay, so yes, universe is trying to tell you that you have to make a plan about certain stability, certain movement, certain action which you are thinking about. But you have to make a plan, a proper planning, a proper strategy is needed before moving, before taking action. Okay, so make a plan when it comes to your stability, creativity, foundation, whatever you are thinking about, whatever you are wishing about to have a movement about. Okay, universe is trying to tell you, you need to make a strategy, you need to make a plan. Okay, which you are not doing right now. You are going through a lot of anxiety issues. I can see few of the Cancerians might be having sleepless nights. Okay, when it comes to your stability, when it comes to your materialistic world, either or else relationship part. So a lot of anxiety issues are going on, sleepless nights, tensions, worriness is going on. Okay, so do not worry about it, it will be cured. But yeah, you have to make a certain plan. You have to start planning from now only. to take an action in the month of September. Or if you are just thinking and not taking action, that is not needed. You just need to take an action. Okay, in month September will be the month of taking action. Okay, do not have a stagnant energy. Just don't think, take an action. Okay, so sometimes because you will lose an opportunity for not taking an action, you need to take an action. Okay, so your archangel for the month of September, Cancerians, is Archangel Jophiel. So his message for you is, I am shining a star. I focus on all my good attributes and amplify them. I see my path shining brightly before me. I have the courage to step forward with joy and enthusiasm. I help others as I radiate my magnificence. Okay, so I just need to tell you, this message for you is for taking action. Road is already there, you just need to take an action, and you are not seeing that road, you are not taking an action towards it. Okay, you think that the opportunity is blocked, but action is needed, because once you take an action, there will be a clear road in front of you. Okay, so just there is a clear way waiting for you, clear opportunity waiting for you. But you don't have to sit and just think. Don't just sit, think and contemplate. Take an action. September will be the month for action. Okay, so yeah, golden topaz is the gemstone you have to look for in the month of September. You can Google it. So the question, if you ask yourself, do you need to recapture your personal power? So the message for you from Archangel Jophiel is that surround yourself with people who recognize your talents, intelligence, creativity, kindness, thoughtfulness. Their appreciation will amplify your goodness. Share your inner wisdom and beauty. It is time to reclaim and amplify your personal power. Okay, so which is a very good thing, guys. Okay, so you need to understand and realize your personal powers, and you need to take an action. Okay, if you are not doing so, I cannot help it out. But September will be the month of taking action, because a clear road is waiting for you. Okay, a real road is there for you. You just need to take an action, and you will be victorious in the month of September. Okay, so yes, and do not worry about it. Don't have an anxiety issues much if you are having currently. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay, so yeah, bye bye, take care, guys.